swirl back here. It doesn't need to be there, but I'm going to put it there for a reason that we'll come back to. Okay? Just let me draw this baghouse. Give me 1 second. We'll put a rotary valve in it, and just for fun, we'll put a screw conveyor under it. Put some valves on it. I'm going to put the valves here for the time being. Alright, and I'm putting them on what I consider to be the wrong side for a reason. Bags. There's our cell plate. There's our bags. Let's talk about a system that will actually work. That's our duct. Actually, no, I'll even add the fan because it has value later on. I've drawn that fan disproportionately big to remind myself of something. So, what we do now is, we know we've put resistance across the top of the hopper in the form of the baffles, right? So if we want to get 100% dust management, what we actually do, all we've got to do is give the air a line of least resistance. So if we put some negative P, is that a negative P? Yeah. If we put some negative pressure on the hopper in the form of a dust extractor, the air that was percolating up now has a line of least resistance and it's into the baghouse. So we're dealing with the dust, we're dealing with the displaced air and therefore the dust before it exits the hopper, right? So what's going on up here is now totally isolated from what's going on down here. So we put the negative pressure on it and we draw the air up into the baghouse. We have now got total control of what's going on inside that space, and that's what we need. The baffles are great, fantastic actually, but what they do is they allow us to control this space. Once we've got control of this space, we've got control of the air, and therefore control of the dust.